Today I'm going to show you how to edit social media posts with stunning AI and create amazing videos as well. Are you spending crazy amount of time editing and searching for software to create your posts? I got you. Let's be real, it's so overwhelming, and all you have to do is just search for one tool and use it for a lifetime. So I'm gonna show you in a few steps how you can use AI for social media post editing right now. Think about it, the average user just scroll through hundreds of posts every day, every second, and spending time only watch just 2 seconds of your video or just a post. And if it's not going to catch the attention, it's already failed. So I'm going to show you how you can create step by step the outstanding eye-catching content using AI. Let's focus on the first step. The first thing, the AI speed. You have to focus on the speed. AI going to help you, and you don't have to spend so much hours on editing and content creation. It's going to help you create your content and even make it more better. You can choose to add filters and make it more outstanding. So all you have to do is just focus in and create the content at ASAP. Second thing, you don't need to be a Photoshop guru. The more thing is accessibility. All you have to do is just ask AI help, and it's going to help you create your image and even correct them as well. You can use and create your images as well. I'm going to show you how to do that. Third thing, AI can be an amazing source of inspiration, and focus on the creativity. AI is going to help you, and maybe it will give you a color scheme or a topic that you can follow through to make your idea come true. Our fourth thing is consistency. You need to pop up a lot of content for social media. AI is going to help you and change the little things, and you can post it with a little difference, and it's going to help you edit them as well. So let me show you. Images are powerful, the videos are definitely king. Videos grab more attention, like 89% of the viewers, and spend more time watching them. So focus on the videos and just create them as well. I'm going to show you. So just open Canva as a search tool, and now we are going to try out together. I will show you how you can create your videos and change the backgrounds. You can see the recent design I just made by choosing the videos. I just click here and it's going to open the video and show me the example I just created. So here I just change the background of my video and make it more darker because I wanted to make it darker. So the original was a white scene and I wanted to make it dark, so I just changed the video again. So let me show you, can size it, and this is the original background here. And you can paste it and choose another from the uploads here. Click here for uploads and just click here, and this is how you can change it. You can delete this one. This is a video clip. I'm going to move this around so you can go and try out and see. I'm going to change another background of my video, and you can just click here and open the layer section and send it backward, forward, or show the layers. If you click here, it's going to show you the layers, and you can change the layers like this one. So let me finish the background and just make the size of it. So this is the background I just changed, and this is a video I just created right here, and this is one of my previous videos. This is a script from them, so I just changed it. And you can choose the audio tools. If you click here, you can extract audio voice, and you can edit as well. You can add fade and fade in, fade out. You can even add beats music or any kind of music, or click here to delay the track if you like to. So this is my video, so let me show you. So this video is just about to create right now. So I just handle it, and you can see the background is this here, and the video quality is so good. I just use Canva right now, so you can go and try this one out as well. You can go with the flip, horizontal, vertical, and you can change them as well, like I'm showing you right now. So you can go with the crop section here. You can crop your videos if you like to, and you can add animation here or change the video. If you like to go, just delete this video and go to the upload button right here and click here uploads, upload files, and you can upload your videos from your device like I'm showing right now. So this is our example. I'm just going to upload a video and I'm going to paste it right here, and we are going to change it, the background, like a background remover using Canva AI tool. So this video is already open here, so let me show you. The video is appearing right here. So I'm gonna go and
thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys.
I'm gonna go and just mute this video and click background remover, and it's already processing. So this is the new video I just did. So I'm going to paste it right here. You can size them and make it more bigger or smaller, or fill out the whole thing, or add a kind of layers. If you like to go back just in time, you can click here and you can go with the upload section, add heading, or you can see the available videos, examples. can make the size difference here and change it anytime. You can animate this section right here. If you click here, it's going to animate your section. You can go with the ink or digital animation right here, which is available right now as a tool, and you can animate your videos and change the background of it. Like I did, I just created this button and click here and just change and animate your videos. So let me go back to the design section like I show you. These are the example I just created with Canva AI and change the background of it. You can even go with another size like here and just go with the mobile video and try these out. You can go with the background remover and you can go with this uploads, images, videos and audios, and click here and just add your videos as well. This is how it's work right now. If you click here, click background remover, it's going to the background and cut it out. So you can go like this and you can add the background and you can change the layer after the video, and you can go and see so many tools available right here. You can change them and paste it anytime. If you like to go with the bigger size, you can go with them. So I'm going to go with the layer section right now and click here and search for the layer button, and we are going to go and change the layer option right here. Now just go with the click more button right here. There is a link section. You can add a line to page and you can delete this one right here, and you can upload your files, and it's going to show you how you can upload them as well and paste it like I showed you the last video before. You can go with the elements here, and this is the original video. You can go with the audio tools and change the volume of the videos, make it louder if you like to. You can add any kind of graphic elements to the videos like this one, or use it as a frame tool to your videos for mobile videos, so it's going to be appear. So this is the frame tool I just added to the mobile video, and you can use it as well. So let me show you another examples. There are stickers available right here. Here you can use this sticker and you can time it as well. If you click this button, you can change the timing of the sticker and move it as you like to. So let me show you. Let me start from the beginning and let me see the video. So I just added the frame, and here is our sticker timed in the page position, and you can edit them anytime, and you can add any kind of photos here. If you like to change it, just click here, and you can go with the layer section here, and you can send it backward, or you can send it to forward, or you can move it to the another layer, send it to back, or you can go and change it anytime you want to. You can go back to the design elements to get inspired. You can go generate videos instantly. If you click here, you can go and generate your videos. I'm going to go with this one right now, and you can try them out as well. If you click here, you can select up to 10 images. I'm going to go and select few videos, and you can click here generate, and you can go add a description of the video like tutorial for YouTube, and create generate and enter, and now it's generating the video. And let me see, it's just a sec and it's going to be ready. So I'm so curious, and it's going to be another video kind of thing. So if you click here, you can see the tools and videos again. So this is a perfect example how you can generate videos from other videos. You can see subtitle, edit, and stickers that you can move around or delete them, or you can make the size changes as well, and you can edit your layers, and you can go with the add page, resize. You can copy this one here, and you can change it anytime you want to. So this is the example that I just created right here, and don't forget to check it out, this tool that I show you. Some beta version of Canva AI, just select your images and videos, and it's going to create a short videos, and these are the templates example you can use, and go for the styles, and you can see the recently used color option, combination, and color palettes. If you click here, you can choose the add the color palette and change it like this one. Just click here and it's going to change the whole color palette of the videos like this. You can go back for add any fonts and titles and go with the uploads, just upload your file, or you can go with the record section and you can record yourself and just edit your videos right. So here is one more tip for you. Just pick 1 or 2 AI features and it's going to help you a lot. I'm sure it's going to develop your content and create more outstanding content as well. So just pick 1 or 2 and make it simple and just start using them, and then after you develop your skill set, you can try out them as well. So there you have it. You have all the skills that you need for creating amazing content for social media. Hope you guys enjoyed my video and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.